Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. It's got about 11,000 miles on it. Tires look brand new. Vehicle's in really nice condition. LT model. Really beautiful shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumper and grille, amazing condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape all the way through. Looks very nice. Take a look at the front headlamp. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Lower light on this one. Beautiful shape. Grille's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp. Also in amazing shape. Lower light, also in beautiful condition. Bumper looks good. Take a look at the lower grille on this. Looks beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. It's got a little leaf there. Hood's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look. Super shiny. Beautiful finish on it. Really great shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Beautiful condition all the way through. All right, taking a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, amazing shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Driver door, also in beautiful condition. Looks super clean. Very nice shape. Nothing to show there. Rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition. No marks or scratches on it. Quarter panel on the driver's side, amazing condition. Looks super clean. Rear hatch looks good. Let's take a closer look at the lights. Lights are in amazing shape. Looks really nice. Beautiful condition. Glass in the back looks good. Very nice shape. Lower bumpers in amazing shape. Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Looks super clean. All right, let's take a look at the quarter panel. Quarter panel on the passenger side, amazing shape. Super clean throughout. Take a look at the rear door. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Front door on the passenger side, amazing shape, beautiful condition. Very nice. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield looks brand new. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Looks amazing. Quick look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Super clean. Really great shape all the way through. Windshield on this side looks very nice. Does have a small little chip mark right there. Besides that, looks good. Really outstanding shape all the way through. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Very nice. Look at that beautiful shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. A little bit of storage on the door. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful accent here. The shiny piece there looks beautiful. Amazing condition. All right, let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Looks really nice. It's a manual seat, but it's in very nice condition. Dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful vehicle. Rugs are clean. Looks really nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Really great condition all the way through. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Rugs are clean. Beautiful condition on the dashboard and steering wheel. It looks amazing. Okay, we're looking at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Look at that beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Really outstanding condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear seat. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really nice shape. Floor mats back here look good. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Let's take a look at the liner. The liner's in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition on that. Look at that. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Controls for the power window. The handle looks good. A little bit of storage on the bottom. Rear seat looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rugs are clean. Looks good. Liner's in great shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer. There's a key fob for it. Lock on lock, remote start and panic. Beautiful key. We're going to set it down here in the cup holder. This one has a push button start. Nice extra there. We're going to press the brake, push the button, should start right up. Oh, so nice. Look at that beautiful screen. This got the upgraded screen, this 11-inch screen. Really nice. They really did a nice job with this car upgrading the screen and stuff. Beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this one. The mileage on this one is 11,165 miles. Look at that, cluster's in beautiful shape. Look at that. All right, so it shows you the RPMs, miles per hour, shows you the distance from other vehicles on here on the right hand side when you're driving behind somebody. It's got the temperature gauge there, the fuel gauge there, miles till empty, 92 miles. Let me show you how nice it lights up when you accelerate. Look at that. So nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it there. And then we have controls here on the steering wheel for the radio on both sides. You can see that right there. Okay, cruise control on the steering wheel. The collision alert settings are here. You can set up the gap. So further away is safer. That way, you know, it alerts you in time to brake, or it actually does it for you in case you have the braking on already. So cruise control's right there. There's the controls for the radio. To select, let's see, music. There you go. AM, FM, XM radio. And then this one also has Bluetooth and stuff. So right there, that's to select that from there. You have your speak commands there to hang up your phone there. Front and rear wipers. Turning signals, let's check those out. Really nice. Highlights right there. Beautiful condition. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look. Very nice condition. Really amazing shape. Look at that. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks beautiful throughout. It's got a beautiful screen there. I think it's like 11.5 inch, something like that. It's really in beautiful shape. AC vents are right there. Oh, it's working good. AC is nice and cold. Okay, the controls for the AC. So you have the temperature on the left and the fan on the right. You can select the vents here, recycled air, front or rear, defrost, AC button, USBs, power plug right there, cup holders, control for the automatic transmission. This is the control for the bypass for the engine off. So right now when I press that button, it turns it on and it turns it off. So if you want to bypass it, the little light needs to be on. Traction control, the lane alert, that's a nice setting. Parking brake release. Up above here you have your OnStar buttons and the passenger airbag light letting you know if it's activated or not. Courtesy lights, super nice. Let's take a look at the visors on this one. Beautiful condition, mirror on both sides. Really nice. Let's take a quick look at the liner here. The liner looks good. It's in clean condition. Looks very nice. It's got some lights back there for the rear passengers. Nice feature for that. Really in great shape. It's got a little storage here. Little tray comes out. More storage on the bottom. Super nice condition. Looks like it has the books in here. Check that out. Very nice. All right, that's pretty much it on the interior. But we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look now at the radio, the information center. So it's not really a radio nowadays, it's an information center. All right, so it has the Wi-Fi hotspot, the settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We're gonna go into the settings of the vehicle now. There's the system for the time, date, language, Wi-Fi management. So you go, those are the settings for the system. For the vehicle, teen driver, rear seat reminder, collision detection. Click on that. Let's see what safety features it has. There you go. Automatic braking, alert and brake, front pedestrian braking, super nice. Here on the side here, it shows you the settings for Wi-Fi. It also shows you the temperature and the time. Then it shows you any reminders if you have a reminder or whatever to change your oil and stuff like that. So go back again, go back to settings. guess I'm not pressing it correctly or whatever. Here it is. Go back again here. Rear seat reminder, that's on. You got the lighting. Click down here. Lighting, power locks, remote, team driver. Then you go to apps. You got your audio apps, phone apps, OnStar. So we're gonna go here to the vehicle. So those are the trip computers, fuel economy. It's got gauges here. Shows you the voltage, the coolant temperature. And then it has the maintenance one here. Shows you the tire pressure sensors, oil life. That's super nice. So we'll go back to home again. And then on home, we're gonna go ahead and select the phone setting. There's no phone connected now, so if you did, you would press manage phone. And this is the radio station that's on right now. It's got a really nice screen. It's got a lot of features on it. All right, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to go here. We're sitting at the light. Take it for a little test drive. Here we go. A lot of power. You step on it, it moves quick. Really nice. That's that lane alert right there, that's setting there. Lets you know when the vehicle is in the lane next to you or whatever, and keeps you in the lane. It's actually the keep lane alert. That's what it's called. It actually steers you straight if you're going over the lines. It's really, really cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make a U here, go back. Right there, the engine turned off and turned back on as soon as I let go of the pedal. It does drive really nice. It has a lot of power for a small 3-cylinder engine, but it's definitely powerful. It moves pretty well. It's got the turbo in it, makes it super smooth. And it is pretty quiet when you're driving it. It's very quiet. Okay, we're gonna come up on the street here, and we'll go ahead and put it back and go full speed again. It's such a nice drive, super smooth. So there it shows you the distance from the vehicle in front of me right there, and then on this side is showing the lane keep assist. I guess that's what they call it. If I start getting out of the lane, it'll go ahead, it'll give me a little alert, and it'll correct it. That way we don't get out of the lane. So we've got some traffic here, but we got going again. Okay, next thing we're going to test out is the backup camera. So we're going to find a spot where we can go ahead and park really quick, and I can show you the backup camera functioning. Drives super nice, man. Coming up on another stop sign, we're going to do the brakes here. Feels good. Stops super nice. Here we go. Drives amazing. Steering's good on it. Look at that. Turns on the dime. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and choose a little parking space here real quick, and we'll back up, test out the backup camera. Here we go. So Now we're going to put it in reverse. It's in reverse. Backup camera's on. It's got a really nice screen. Look at that. So those lines there, they actually turn depending on how I move the steering wheel. So we're going to get right next to this blue car that's next to us there. And we're going to park. That's pretty much it. As soon as you put it back in drive again, the camera shuts off. But let me just show you the camera again in reverse. Look at that. Super nice. And these little lines there, when you turn the steering wheel, I'm not sure if you can see it there. Let me go forward a little bit more. Those little lines, when you do the reverse, you can see which way the vehicle is going to roll back. See that? That's really nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment. Take a look at those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look. Rug's in great shape back here. It's got 2 pockets here for storage here on the sides. Really nice. It's got a little LED light there. Those seats fold forward if you want more storage. All right, let's take a look at the spare tire here on the bottom. Spare tire with jack mounted beneath the tire. Super clean. A lot of space down here to store stuff if you need to. Look at that. Really nice. Pretty much that's it. It's in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look. Really outstanding shape. Look at this. Amazing condition. Super, super clean. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Take a look at that. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, amazing condition. Look at that, very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look at it. Really nice condition. Really outstanding shape all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Passenger side tire. Tire looks brand new. Rim is clean and in amazing shape. It's very nice. Beautiful condition all the way through. Okay, well that's going to conclude the video for this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in nice shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great. Used. Autosales.com. Thanks for watching.